It's your fault, and hers too! But I did what I did. It was all for you. Ah, shucks!
That's all we really want.
Homer!
Homer's what grown-ups call me. Call me Daddy.
Homer!
Daddy.
Homer!
Daddy.
Dad.
Yes?
Domer!
Why, you little...
Hey, listen. Thanks to the innovations inserted into you, each of my words in presentation, I'll be favoring you. Like Mr. Right, scare your eyes, watching how far made me move together. Take the stage, sing on my brave. Sure that I have been seizing my life.
Leave none alive!
All my friends know the low rider.
Tragic events today. As Homer was testing out his new sick motorcycle, he hit the curb and flew out into traffic. He got hit by several other cars. He made it out with only a bruise. He also ascended
So, where did you train, Linguini?
Train? What's wrong, homie?
I killed the boy. I was strangling him and I accidentally snapped this little boy's neck.
Homie, why?
He must have atoned for my sins. I killed Bart.
It's your emergency.
I killed Bart.
You sick fuck. You're going to Homer jail.
Homer jail.
Yes, homie, you gotta go to Homer jail.
Go